How to delete TikTok account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's get started. First, you want to open the TikTok app on your device. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom of your screen. Then tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen and tap on Settings and Privacy. Once you're here, tap on Account. Then tap on Deactivate or Delete Account. Now there are two options, deactivate account or delete account permanently. Here you want to tap on the second option, delete account permanently. Now here you need to select a reason why you're deleting TikTok. So you simply want to select any one of them, then tap on continue. Now you have the option to download the videos that you have posted on TikTok. For that, tap on request download. If you don't want to do that, you can simply check mark this circle and then tap on continue. So here it says your account will be deactivated for 30 days, and if you do not reactivate your account, it's going to be permanently deleted in 30 days. So read through all of this and then tap on continue. Now you will have to enter your password for deleting your account, so go ahead and do that. After entering the password, tap on delete account button. Now it's going to ask you for confirmation. Simply tap on the delete option and your TikTok account will be deleted. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.